Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use trading bots on Binance. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So if you don't have an account on Binance, you can use the sign up link in the description where you will be getting up to 500 USDT on sign up. So once you have an account on Binance set up, all you have to do is you will need to go on trade over here and click on trading bots. Now just wait for the interface to load. And now as you can see there is this bot list over here. So the first one is spot grid, then there is future grid, rebalancing bot, spot algo and auto invest. Now my personal favorite is this one, rebalancing bot, because this is for a long term position. I mean it's not a short gain bot. So if you have like a decent portfolio and if you want to hold it for a long term, then I would usually go for this one. Now there is something also called as a bot marketplace over here, where there are like coin or token specific bots over here. So as you can see, this is like a mover, a riff. So there are a lot of this. There is Solana over here, Solana to USDT, and you can check like how much ROI they have given in the past. So there is a huge list of it. You can copy any of this, but for the video purpose, I will be showing you the rebalancing bot over here. So all you have to do is you will need to click on create, and we have to wait for the interface to load over here. Now there is an option of AI rebalance over here, and it lets you have like up to 10 different coins or tokens in the trading bot. So you can manually create it over here. So these are the main coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then there is new listings like Save, Weld, Pendle. So these are the top zones. So if I create on top zone over here. So as you can see, the portfolio is like 59% Bitcoin, 23 Ethereum, 4% BNB. Then there is Agix, which is a Cardano based token. Then there's Sandbox, Lido, Uniswap, Chiliz, Phil, and Dot. So what happens is like in this long term position, it buys at lower price and sells at higher price, and it keeps doing that as and when needed. And over here, you can put the total amount of investment that you want for this bot. So let's take an example like if you want to invest like 10,000 in this trading bot, and since I don't have sufficient balance in my Binance right now, I mean there is zero USDT in my Binance, so that's why it's not allowing me. So once you have the required balance in USDT, all you have to do is simply click on create, and the bot will start running for you. So it is this simple to use trading bots on Binance. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.